Hello students. So as you know, as part of our series of videos where we are going to cover the upcoming vacancies notification and the procedure and all those requirements under those notifications, the first notification has rolled out. NALSAR, that is NLU Hyderabad, also popularly known as NLU Hyderabad, has released its notification regarding the vacancies, right? As I've told you, you can access all the information related to vacancies of any of the national university from the single website of Lawprep, where you can search for vacancies 2025 on Google. The first link is going to be this page, right? So as part of that, the first notification is out, and this is from NALSAR Hyderabad, and it says that there is one vacant seat in the SC, All India SC category. Right, there is one redundant, very vague thing that has been written here, that is only those who have rank up to 200 are eligible. I don't think so that has any meaning here, given that the last person to have been allocated the seat of SC in NALSAR in the third list was 3000 sub rank, right? In that case, this particular thing doesn't hold too much of relevance. But anyhow, the notification says that you have to fill the application by 25th of June 2025, 3 p.m. That is tomorrow evening, right? Apart from that, the notification says that for any future All India SC category vacancy, if it arises, in that case, only those students who have applied for this particular notification using this particular link, only they will be eligible, right? Let's look at the particulars that you have to enter in order to be eligible, right? Now, as I've told you, the notification itself contains the application link. The application link is nothing but a Google survey account. Right now, if you see here, the list of details that are required to be filled are your email address, your name, your admit card number, the PDF of your admit card, your All India rank, your All India score, your CLAT score of 2025. Under category, again, as you can see, it's only All India SC category which is available. So you just click on that. You have no other option, and you have to upload your scheduled caste certificate, then gender, mobile number, your 10th certificate and your 12th certificate, right? All of this has to be uploaded, right? And then you press on I agree button, and then you submit. There is no application fee that has been prescribed in this regard. But there is one more thing which has to be kept in mind. The notification says, in case the All India SC category seat is not utilized or fulfilled, in that case, the seat will be converted to All India ST category. Even despite that, if the seat doesn't get filled, in that case it will be converted to All India general category. So maybe this 200 rank is with regards to that. Otherwise, for a person who want to apply under SC category for this All India SC vacant seat, I don't think so 200 is a required eligibility criteria, right? So you can use the application link and make sure that you fill the application on or before June 25, 2025, that is before 3 p.m. Right? With that, we come to end of this video. I hope it was useful. If you have any further query, you can use the comment box to drop your question, and hopefully we will reply you with suitable answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.